Welcome to this Lens Studio tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to build a more advanced lens by combining three Gen AI-powered components: the style generator, animated selfie attachments, and the head generator. To make it even more interactive, we'll finish it off with a dynamic zoom component triggered by an open mouth event. The secret to making this work is understanding how cameras and rendering work together. The main principle is to render each effect into a separate render target, which then becomes the input for the next effect. For technical optimization, our first two effects will actually share the exact same render target. Let's get started with step 1, importing our effects. Navigate to the Lens Studio AI button in the top right corner and open the Gen AI homepage tab. From here, find and import a generated effect for the style generator, the selfie attachments, and the head generator. In step 2, we'll combine these components. First, we need to separate the selfie attachments and head generator into two different cameras. Rename your original camera to Camera 3D1. Create Camera 3D2. For Camera 3D2, create a new render layer and assign it in both the top right drop-down and the Layers field. Next, set this camera's render order to 1. Now, let's create a new render target. In your scene settings, assign this new render target 2 as both your capture target and live target. You'll also need to select your orthographic camera and set its render order to 2. Go to your style generator object and replace its input texture with the original render target. Next, let's clean up our cameras. Remove the duplicate head generator from Camera 3D1 and remove the duplicate selfie attachments from Camera 3D2. Make sure you assign your new render layer to the head generator effect. To link everything together, select Render Target 2 in the Asset Browser, set the Clear Color option to Texture, and choose the original render target as the input texture. Then, set the orthographic camera to Render Target 2. Let's do a quick review. Camera 3, D1 and 2. Render your selfie attachments and head generator into the first render target. The orthographic camera then sees those previously rendered effects and applies the style generator on top, outputting to Render Target 2. Click the Reset button to check your preview and scale the head generator to align perfectly with the user's head. Finally, step 3, adding the zoom effect. Open the Asset Library, search for the zoom component, and hit Install. Drag it directly into the orthographic camera. Set its render order to 10 so it renders above everything else, and assign it to the orthographic render layer. Now, just set the start events to mouth opened and adjust the duration and delay settings to your preference. Preview your lens to test the final result. By mastering render layers, render targets, and camera configurations, you've successfully combined multiple complex Gen AI components into one seamless experience. Your lens is now complete and ready to be tested on a device. For more details, be sure to check out the camera documentation. Happy creating!